So this is kind of cool. Once you get signed in through Google and everything, you can watch YouTube and Netflix. Today we're installing 3 Jeep upgrades, but one of them ended up being far more useful than we expected. What I really like about this thing is it has a backup camera too. So when I put this in reverse, there you go. Oh yeah, man, that works pretty good. This is one product I really think you should put in your toolbox arsenal. Do you want your older model Jeep to look and have the technology that the newer ones come with? In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the factory radio with the most modern plug-and-play radio you can get on the market. This is a super easy install with no prior training and no expertise in this field. I was able to do this, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do it. With the Eonon radio, we were able to replace our factory radio with the Eonon GPX7A plug-and-play stereo. Whenever you start a project and something doesn't happen like it's supposed to, you get very frustrated. Well, in this one, everything went exactly like it was supposed to. It was super easy. This is literally a plug-and-play install. For the first couple of minutes of this video, I basically walk you through on how to disassemble the dash and get the factory radio out in order to install the Eonon. So sit back and watch the video. This is a really good step-by-step procedure of what you need to do. If you don't want to watch the install, you can skip ahead to 3 minutes and 27 seconds, and I will show you how to use the radio and talk about its functions. If you like these type of videos, do me a favor and please hit the like and subscribe. It really helps us out.
Okay, Danny's connecting his phone to CarPlay right now.
Pulls up on right here. Where pin is the factory pin for right now. We hit pair. Looks like we're connected. And so we already have CarPlay on here and everything else. So let's hit CarPlay. It has our maps for Apple Maps, and it also does Google Maps, which is really cool. It's all wireless. So this is kind of cool. Once you get signed in through Google and everything, you can watch YouTube and Netflix. And the picture on it is really awesome.
It's a little scary.
And of course, we're watching our channel, We Are Forever Dreaming. You also have USB charging. So if you want to charge your phone, camera, laptop, whatever, you can still do that in here also. So if I want to use one of the apps, just go directly to Amazon Music. That's what we have playing right now. That's pretty cool that you can do all that just from your fingertips. So this Eonon radio, we recommend it. It takes the old style out and puts the new style in. And we travel a lot in this. Instead of hooking up wires to it and using our phone for Apple and Google Maps, now we can just do it directly off this big screen here. And it's all touch. Everything's touch. And it's super sensitive. Really like it. The microphone is right here. We have it on the side. You can put it up here, but we wanted to keep all the wires down here. Over here is the GPS antenna. And then in the back we have the backup camera. Basically we wired, if you look down here, we wired the wires down here and underneath and all the way to the back. And then we have it up on the outside right there, and it works really well for us. So you can listen to the radio or listen to YouTube. It's a split screen here, so you can kind of check it out. You got YouTube on one side and you got the radio on the other side. We do not condone you watching YouTube while you're driving, but you can listen to it no problem. Got the antenna hooked up to the back of it, and so you're able to pick up your AM FM channels no problem. Hey Siri, take me to the nearest Walmart. And just like that, we're off. When you turn your car on, this thing automatically connects to CarPlay with your Apple phone. It's pretty nice. So it brings up our maps, and it also has whatever music we're playing right now. It has a backup camera too. So when I put this in reverse, there you go. And it has a pretty good field of vision on that. We really like that. So this is a 2010 Jeep Wrangler that didn't have any of this modern technology, but just through plug and play with this radio, it's super easy to do, and you'll have a modern screen almost like on a new car. So we really like it. While we're talking about Jeep upgrades, we got this from Bunker. It's the Bunker spare tire step. So we're going to show you how it's installed and how we use it. So the most important thing to do on here is tighten it down. When you think you got it tight, try it again. And put your weight on it and make sure it's not going to move. So you got it tight enough. And then you can step on this to get to your top load. Like we have up here, we have our tent and a couple of our paddle boards because we're going camping this weekend. So now let's try it out and see if it does actually work. Oh yeah, man, that works pretty good. I can get to all my gear up here easily now. Strap everything down, I'm good to go. And that's actually really sturdy. I mean, just for weight references, I'm 225 pounds, so that's pretty good. It's rated for 286 pounds, so if you're a big boy, don't use this, get you a ladder. But for something that's portable that you can take on and off really quick and put on, I wanted to show you how it could be done by one person. If you had two people, if Donna was holding this when we were strapping it out, it would have gone a lot faster, but I wanted to show it can be done with one person. This only fits tires from 31 to 40 inches, so keep that in mind. Don't use it for anything really small or over 40 inches. Don't forget the bunker is rust proof. It's made out of aluminum and stainless steel. It's very portable and easy to store, and it's lightweight. So when you're not using it, you can stick it in the back of your Jeep. And when you need to get it, you just pull it out and it takes like 3 minutes to put it on. For a Jeep upgrade, this is pretty cool. We recommend it. For the price point, we highly recommend this. This is definitely a good upgrade for your Jeep. Are you tired of paying shop fees every time a light pops up on your dash? Today, we're looking at a tool that might just pay for itself in one use, the ThinkScan 662. This isn't just a basic code reader. It runs on a cut-down Android system with a built-in battery. It has Wi-Fi, and it also has lifetime free updates. It covers 4 major systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS airbags. The standout feature here is the bi-directional control. You can actually command the car to perform tests, like cycling your radiator, your fan, or testing an injector to pinpoint exactly where a part has failed. Plus, it includes 12 maintenance resets, including oil, brake, and SAS resets. It supports over 140 car brands worldwide. One of my favorite features is the auto VIN search that identifies your car instantly, and the ability to email yourself a PDF diagnostic report to keep a record of your repairs. You just hit VIN and start scanning. And there you go. So select Chrysler or Jeep. You're going to select Jeep, and there's our VIN number. It's loading the diagnostic part of it. And there you go. We can do an automatic search. It has all our information there of the vehicle. We hit OK. And we can run a system scan, a health report, or select a system that you want to work on. Let's do a health report. We have the key on already. We're going to turn it on, and then it's running the test. Powertrain control module, anti-lock braking system, and the supplemental air restraint system is all good to go. It's all normal. It's found 3 systems, and it has no DCTs, so no errors. You can report it, clear, or rescan. You can go by each system if you want to. So you have your diagnostic, your maintenance, and you can upgrade. But you can click on ABS, your battery, tires, etc. all the way across. ThinkScan 662 is very compact, and we keep it in our Jeep just in case we need it. For under $200, the ThinkScan 662 is a massive upgrade for any DIYer who wants to stop guessing and start fixing. If you want professional power without the subscription fees, this is it. We will put a link for this awesome product in the description. And again, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you next week.